all right. Why, hello. Welcome back to Meta Motivation Monday with the master of the MetaVerse. I am your host, good old Gray Beard. Okay, first time viewers, don't miss out. Okay, hit those likes, follows, and shares. And please help me pay it forward. My mission statement here is to extend a daily peace offering to my fellow companions with intent to encourage, motivate, and inspire action through joy, laughter, and creativity. Welcome to my weekly podcast here on my YouTube channel. We're going to be here every Monday at 6 p.m. Pacific time. And we're here to collaborate, we're here to share ideas, and we are here to explore the new age of technology, the internet, and we're just here to talk about it. So please feel free to join me. And if you're here, if you're watching live, please ask me a question. What is the metaverse? All right, asking what the metaverse is like asking how a watch works. Okay, there's so many details, there's so many intricacies, and it's hard to explain everything. And so right now, we're just going to look at the time, and we're going to pay attention to what's happening. Here in my channel, we're going to be discussing the different metaverse stocks. Okay, we're going to be talking about the metaverse cryptos, and we're going to be talking about Web3 development with blockchain gaming, and also the new age of the tech sector. Excuse me, burning up here, but you know what? We are live. If you get a chance to join the Discord, okay, please go through all these multiple articles, and you're going to see how it's being built, okay? Like I said, I know I'm getting choppy. Don't worry, I'm going to find the flow. We're live here. We're sweating. We're losing service, and all things are going to happen for me to fail here. So this is what we're doing here. I'm not afraid to document my failures. I'm not afraid to document my journey here. So please. The point of this channel is interaction. Okay, I made a vow to make a channel where we can all interact and build a platform where we can all share our ideas together. Okay, and so I believe that you have to add value to yourself before you can add value to others. And so I have chosen to explore into the metaverse, and many people are asking questions about it. It's still a buzzword, and so but I have been diving in for the past year and a half, doing the studies, trying to understand a world that's coming. It's not going to be the world, folks. It's just going to be a world. We're going to go over my top metaverse companies, okay? The top 5 stocks to invest in, or also private companies just to pay attention to as a consumer that may benefit you as a business owner for commerce. We're also going to go into the tech with everybody believes that Facebook is just the Oculus goggles, but there's a lot more to it. And so, like I said, I'm just out here trying to make a platform for us to talk about it. If you have questions, if you want to know more about the metaverse, if you want to talk about it, there's no judgment here. We're just trying to expand together, trying to learn together, and it's okay. See, what's funny is, I act like I got 1 million followers, right? I'm so arrogant. Please feel free to blast me. I got all types of avenues for people to come in here and chat with me. I'm not scary. It's okay. You can join me, all right? We're still finding the flow. My whole life, I have just been an outside sports person, okay? And I've always shied away from the digital and technical realm. and it just scared me. Okay, it just wasn't something that I was about. Uh, During my time in high school, they this is when they were creating websites. Okay, so you took a class on how to create websites, and it just wasn't something that intrigued me then. Okay, but what's happening now with the world of Web 3 and Web 3.0 is something that's very, very interesting to me. And so I'm super late, but better late than never. And so now I've decided to hop all the way in, and it's amazing where the journey has gone. I started my channel about a year ago, a little over a year ago, just using my phone, and that's all I knew how to do was record off of my phone. And so now we've learned different things with my computer, with studios, different tools, editing, and we've only just begun. So I'm excited. All right, but for those of you who are watching, I don't know if you, I'm trying to find how many viewers, and it looks like I got 0 viewers. Talking about uh, everything. We're talking everything metaverse. Okay, let's get the cat out the bag. Let's reset. Now that I'm cooling down and I've stopped sweating, and and things are calming down here. Okay, I apologize. Let's get to the nitty gritty. Okay, I believe that the metaverse is the next biggest $1 trillion investment opportunity that all of us will miss out on. Okay, we're just going to watch it go by like I have for many years now. Okay, uh, folks, I don't claim to be the expert of anything. I know that my banner here and the title of my channel is the Master of the Metaverse. But those my close friends know, and everybody knows, that I'm not even the master of my own, coffee maker and, tiny household items. I'm not even the master of my own universe. Okay, so I'm not trying to pretend to be an expert. I'm just somebody who dove into these waters, and I'm just trying to stay afloat. And now is the time for me to reach out and collaborate and see what other people are thinking, other people are doing in this space. It's a very, very huge, scary space, but I believe all of us will be involved in the future. I claim to be a Web 3.0 and blockchain enthusiast and facilitator of information. Like I said, I don't pretend to be the master of anything, but I'm just trying to learn it. I'm trying to understand it, and I see it as a huge wave, a huge trend that's coming. That's how I see it. And so I'm not going to miss out anymore like I've missed out on the internet, like I've missed out on the merge of the internet and cell phones, which became smartphones, right? I missed out on that one. I missed out on Amazon. I missed out on Bitcoin. And I'm sick and tired of missing out. I don't know about you, but are you sick and tired of missing out? Are you sick and tired of being sick and tired? That's what we're here for at the Master of the Metaverse. So if you are watching, please feel free to join me. Feel free to ask a question, okay, or leave me a like, follow, and share. You can go back to my YouTube channel, and then you can check out everything that we've done. Just with what I see, what's happening in the world, and I kind of believe some of the movies hint at what's happening in the future. Now we're seeing movies with Free Guy or whatever with Ryan Reynolds. It has a very similar concept, and so these ideas are being put out there, and so I'm just trying to pay attention to that, okay, and figure out where we can together put our money and capitalize. Let's just get real here. There's many different areas for the metaverse, but what Graybeard is talking about is trying to capitalize. There's many different ways that we can capitalize from this idea and advancement of the internet. One of my top investments that I have currently right now is in NVIDIA. Okay, and if you check out their platform, the NVIDIA Omniverse, the platform for creating and operating metaverse applications. What is going on here? Okay, and so a year ago, this was just a buzzword, and everybody thought, yeah, get out of here. And now companies like NVIDIA, which is an American company, they own 80% of the GPU market share. and they are promoting the metaverse all over their websites. Okay, so I'm just saying we should pay attention. Uh, One of my next biggest investments is this company right here, Next Tech AR Solutions. As you can see, they're also interested in AI. I did a short about a week ago with the U.S. Treasury, Rosie Rios, at the Global Business Summit in India, telling the world that the money is moving to the metaverse, AI, and blockchain. And so now you're seeing all these companies buy in. Next Tech uh, is one of my biggest investments because I got in early when it was okay. We'll go into the details with that. Okay, never mind. Okay, but if you can see, they claim to be a metaverse company. You can go to, obviously, they're trying to help businesses. Okay, they are a 3D model supplier for Amazon. Bing, bang, boom. Also, like I said, another part to it is the advancements of technology. Here is Microsoft with HoloLens. Like I said, most people believe these goggles are oriented around playing some type of video game, which is fine. That is very fun, and it is something that we are going to cover here at the Master of the Metaverse. VR gaming mixed with crypto and all this business. Uh, but it is part of it, and it is going to get better. But the things that I'm interested in is the advancements in healthcare. Okay, so we're going to cover that as well. Every week we're just going to be updated on and keep you guys updated on the meta portfolio. We are going to be discussing which tech companies would be the best to invest in for this concept of the metaverse. Okay, obviously the big conglomerates are all involved. I'm not talking about Google and Apple and Facebook and all the obvious companies that are going to be because they have the resources, they're going to be on the front line of this. I'm talking about the companies, the smaller companies that the bigger companies have to work with, okay, in order to build this concept, okay? Companies like Immersion, Matterport, Unity Software. Don't worry, Graybeard's got you covered here. We're going to go over all of it. You can go back to my YouTube channel and look into all. I've done a short video on all these companies, but we're going to keep you updated here on my weekly podcast. Okay, so that's what it is. The investing into the tech sector and covering these metaverse companies and private companies. Okay, companies also involved like Zoom and Twitch and TikTok. We're gonna not just be using them. We're gonna explore what they mean in the world of Web 3.0. Okay, let's go over to the crypto bubbles. Now, I don't claim to be an expert. Okay, I'm not an expert in crypto. I'm not a millionaire in crypto. And in fact, let's be transparent. I got involved at the height of the bull market at the end of last year. And so now I'm getting wrecked just like everybody else. Okay. However, I'm super happy that I made the decision to get involved to learn, okay, and to figure out what's happening. My favorite part of cryptocurrency and Bitcoin is how it was introduced as new monetary policy, on how it's a software, it's a technology, and it continues to improve. Okay, these are the things that I'm interested in, that I want to learn about. The cherry on the top, or whatever you want to call it, is obviously making an asset from these ideas. But I am truly interested in these technologies and how they're going to change the future. Okay, these virtual economies. Okay, but uh, to understand crypto, though, all this stuff, crypto, NFTs, all this stuff was great, but you have to understand blockchain. Okay, so we're going to dive into that idea. Like I mentioned, I aim to be a Web 3.0 blockchain enthusiast and facilitator of information. And I don't use the word expert in any of it because I'm not. Okay, I am just diving in and trying to stay afloat. Okay, and I've put my money where my mouth is. into the tech sector, into stocks, into crypto, into being a content creator, into the Web3 rise and wave. And so I've went all in. That's the kind of person that I am. I'm either going to give you 0% or I'm going to give you 110. And the truth is behind all this is I've been giving it 110% for the last year and a half. And now it's my job, it's my responsibility to pay it forward and make sure people get the details of what this is about, okay? And not just pour onto you what I think it is. No, I'm here to make a platform so that we can all talk about it together and figure out where we belong in all this, okay? There's two different roads. You can be a consumer or you can be a creator in this new Web3, okay? I'm tired of being just a consumer, okay? I'm tired of it, all right? I want to figure out how to be a producer. I don't want to be a consumer anymore. I want to be a producer of something and see what that does for my family, okay? So, here we go. We're rambling again, but we're going to cover blockchain companies like Solana. Solana is one of my favorites. Like I said, I don't pretend. I'm not trying to pour that onto anybody or sell you on it. I just like the ideas and the development team, and I'm all over it. All right. Let's go over to Sandbox. Sandbox is one of the top metaverse coins and virtual economies. Join the metaverse. Okay? Discover, earn, create, Discover, earn, create, explore the metaverse, and discover hundreds of experiences. Join events, have fun, and earn unique rewards. Okay, so basically, what I believe it is, if you're familiar with Roblox, okay, what are all these kids going to do when they're done with Roblox? Because Roblox is huge. You guys know that. Roblox is huge. What are they going to do? Okay, well, they're probably going to get them some Sandbox or some Decentraland or some whatever that they think is the best. Okay, so that's why these companies are racing to be the best, because they know all these kids are coming. The Roblox era kids are coming. We're getting excited. Okay, I'm just going to be talking about the cryptocurrencies, the metaverse. There's a lot of different crypto projects. I'm not a crypto expert, but what I cover and what we're going to be discussing here, and if you have questions, we're talking about the metaverse, okay? And please let me know if you think it ain't going to happen or not, okay? But it's everywhere. Okay, what we're doing on my Twitch channel, we are going to be, obviously gaming is going to be huge. We're going to cover blockchain gaming. Excuse me. Let's go over here. Maybe I shouldn't have done that. Making blockchains. This is Gala Games, okay? And they pledged to make it a gaming platform. It's fun first, okay? But if you're doing your research about blockchain and Web3, it's owning your own data, okay? Digital property, okay? And you no longer have to get to level 12 to get the item, so you can go back and kick ass. That's not the idea here, okay? What we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the store. Okay, we're gonna buy the NFT, okay, and right now we're full of Gala film and Gala music, but we're gonna buy the NFT so I can kick your ass right now. This is what's happening in the whole gaming is huge, you guys. You gotta understand, gaming involves, this whole Web3 gaming involves collectors, it involves investing, it involves trading, it involves competition, all in one. You see, that is what's crazy about this, is interoperability. You can maybe do everything, but I'm gonna get a chance to come in here and buy an NFT so I can kick your ass right now. I gotta wait till level 12. Okay. Excuse me, I get excited. We're gonna cover Gala Games, okay, on my Twitch channel when I get a chance, okay? I'm only doing the live streams here on my YouTube channel. We're going to make videos of the meta portfolio, updates meta portfolio, and also blockchain gaming, okay? I'm just going to fit it in when I can. But look at these different type of games. Simulation, player versus player brawlers, MMOs, Walking Dead, I'm not going to play that game because I'm scared regardless. Can't have a pillow while I'm playing the game, so that's why I can't play it. Legacy, look at this. It's like a Sims business game. Um, uh, Card strategy game similar to Pokemon. Okay, NFTs. This one too. Um, what do we got here? Strategy, Forex, MMO. We got all kinds of stuff. Okay. Ooh, and Fortnite's gonna be one of my favorites. It's a tower defense game, very similar to Clash of Clans, Clash Royale. All right, so don't worry, we're gonna be all over it. Okay, I'm also gonna be all over Star Atlas. This is a MetaVerse coin. Okay, all right. Okay, a grand strategy game of space exploration, territorial conquest, political domination, and more. All right. I've done plenty of videos on Star Atlas. Right now, I'm just introducing to you the pillars of my channel. Okay, what we cover. Okay, metaverse companies and stocks in the tech sector, cryptocurrencies, and now blockchain gaming. All right. Um, Here is something that I need also to remind people about is something called unstoppable domains. Kind of, it's one of the first steps to Web3. But they claim that we are returning the power of the internet to the people. That's why Web 3.0 is so important. Okay, good for Google, good for Facebook, good for Amazon, good for all the millions that they have created. And I know people think they can't take down Goliath. Oh, I believe that we can. And companies like that's the whole purpose behind Web 3.0 is gaining back the power and decentralization. Okay, true decentralization. So let's just pay attention. Okay, Unstoppable Domains is a mission to create user owned digital identity for every person on the planet. To accomplish this, we are creating Web3 domains that put you back in control of your data. These aren't just traditional domains, these are domains with superpowers. As you can see right here, this little symbol right here, uh, they are partnered with Polygon. Polygon is one of the biggest layer one blockchains that's with Ethereum. Like I said, we're here to talk about this stuff. If you have any questions, I'm here to learn as well. So if you're an expert and you're watching my channel somehow, please join my channel and come blast me and come school me. Say, hey man, you look like a freaking ass clown here. I already know that, but I don't care. That's my strength. That's really all I have to offer, folks. Here at the Master of the Metaverse, as all I do is put my head down and go forward. I really don't give a shit. All right, but it's fun. Let's play some music. It's all good. So where are we at? Where are we at? All right, now it's a quick break. That's good. Excellent. All right. Well, thank you for joining me. Okay. If you're watching, please leave a like, follow, and share. Tell your friends, family, and neighbors about the master of the metaverse. I know this is crazy. I know this is crazy, folks. I know people got their minds on all types of things like balloons in the sky and all this other nonsense. Okay. I know it's an important year with elections. I know we're all coming out of a crazy trial time, but I'm not here to discuss negativity. Okay. I'm not here to discuss or dwell really on anything. My purpose is to move forward. Okay, and that's my job as a father and as a husband is to stay the course and to move forward and keep our eyes on the prize. All right. So, thank you for joining me here. All right. Don't worry, we're gonna build it. We're gonna build this thing weekly. Okay, this is my first live stream really for 2023. I took a hiatus. Please, if you're watching, go back to my YouTube channel. You can see all the work that I've done with my first year. Okay, you can see it features the meta portfolio. Going forward, we're going to do updates for that portfolio, and we also have a list of a bunch of additions, a bunch of added companies that I'm excited about to add to this list, to add to our watch list, and to pay attention. Okay. Um, if you're a day trader, please chime in. Let me know what you think. That's something that we're also going to do here in the future at the Master of the Metaverse. We're going to try to do some interviews. We're going to reach out via Zoom and get a hold of some traditional gamers, and see what they think about the transition between uh, Web3 gaming and blockchain gaming. And I'm gonna try to do my best to get to some conventions and some conferences out in Las Vegas, some crypto conferences, some NFT conferences, and where we can do some frontline interviews as well. But last year when I started all this business with just my phone, I put it out there, and it happened. I got this freaking crazy ass home studio where we can do all this crazy stuff. Okay, well, now I'm doing the same thing here. I'm putting it out there live on YouTube. Okay, that Graybeard is going to try his best this year to go to some live conventions and do all this business and make sure you guys get the best information that you need to figure out your journey and all of this business. I went deep my first year with my YouTube. Okay, and I've did a lot of content, a lot of videos, a lot of shorts. Okay, but right now I'm learning how to go wide. All right, I'm trying to widen my base and I get the exposure on Twitters, TikToks, Twitches, Discord, Patreon. Haven't gotten there yet, but we're learning how to go wide and be efficient with all this. Okay, and so one part of my journey here at the Master of the Metaverse is learning how to be a content creator, learning how to be a video editor, learning how to do minor coding with zeros and ones. And so I'm not afraid to document my failures. In fact, that's basically what my channel is. Okay, so don't worry. Eventually, we're going to have some people interacting. I know I look weird. I know I'm scary, but I do have friends. Okay, I do have a wife. She does claim that she loves me. I have two beautiful sons. Okay, and they claim that they love me too. Okay, let me drink here. Oh, I'm sorry. Yes, okay. Uh, but we are going to build this. This is day one. This is day one of 2023. And so far, I think we got 0 viewers on a Monday night. Fantastic. Okay, and I know I'm competing with a whole bunch of stuff. You can't compete with Monday Night Raw, and you can't compete with Monday Night Football, but I don't give a damn. Okay, I know people don't like Mondays, but Monday is game day for me. That's right. You know anything about my precious? You can go back to one of my best videos, An Attitude of Gratitude. My precious. I need to edit this. Edit this. Pretty soon I'm going to learn how to send out the live links. Pretty soon I'm going to have a friend joining me. Okay, don't worry. So I've already been reaching out. I'm going to do a couple of Zoom interviews with some friends that are day traders, that are gamers, people that have already have success in the crypto market and stock market. Like I said, folks, I'm just an amateur here, Mr. Novice. Okay, I'm not the master of anything, but we're going to try to be the master of the metaverse, okay? And even the master of my own universe, okay? Excuse me. Sorry. If you're a true friend of mine, okay, and you come across this video, now is your opportunity to be like, Ben, okay, you don't look in the camera enough. Your breast stings through the video. You're not doing this right. You sound whatever. Please, this is your opportunity. Like I am asking the world to come tell me that I'm failing at all this. Okay, it's all good. I'm excited to get better at making those videos, but right now we're live streaming and we're sweating, right? And which doesn't make any sense because it's freaking cold outside, but it's okay. We're going to figure it out, you guys. We're going to figure this out. What was I talking about that I never talked about? My Discord. Okay. Perfect. Perfect, 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 perfect. So I showed everybody, the big companies, the things that we're going to hear about, NVIDIA. We're going to hear about Gala. We're going to hear about all these big-time metaverse cryptocurrencies. But you don't often hear about some of these ads and stories and stuff. But let's open them one up, okay? Let's open one up and see what it has to say, Oh my gosh, there's so many of them. There's so many of them. All right, let's go to this one. I know we're right here. Fidelity. Fidelity files for MetaVerse trademarks and latest crypto push. The hell does this mean? Okay. Fidelity has filed their U.S. trademark applications to provide services in the metaverse and other virtual worlds in the latest step into the realm of digital assets. Fidelity is going to continue to post right here in my Discord all this metaverse nonsense, okay? And because it helps me look less like an ass clown on this idea that I had to start a YouTube channel talking about being the master of the metaverse, okay? And it was a straight gamble. It was a straight gamble and risk a year and a half ago. I said, the metaverse, let's put all my money into it. That's what happened, okay? And so now I got to put my money where my mouth is. Or no, I already did put my money where my mouth is. And so now I got to get my mouth moving to catch up to the money. Okay. So here we go. Let's start out with, don't worry, I'm going to edit later, okay? Don't worry. All right, we're going to, please let me know. You don't like my banner, you don't like my background, you don't like my setup. It's okay. Let's go here. The top 5 metaverse trends in 2023. Let's go, okay? Let's check this out, all right? That's right. During 2022, it was hard to move forward without bumping into the term the metaverse, right? All right. But let's go to the trends. Ooh, okay. So look, the metaverse is going to be the next marketing channel, okay? That's why you're finding all these investors, because it's going to be the new way to market, and sales is everything. Everything is about sales, especially here in America, all right? The corporate metaverse is going to be a trend in 2023. Okay, so a lot of smaller type companies happening in the past few years, but now you're going to see all the major corporate companies get involved. Web3 and decentralization. That's all right here, folks. You can find everything on my Discord, or you can find a smaller explanation on my YouTube channel, but it's all right here. This is Forbes. This is freaking Forbes magazine right here. All right. One vision of the shape that the metaverse will eventually take revolves around decentralization. So important. According to the proponents of Web3, distributed ledgers and blockchain technology will give rise to a new internet. Leakage outside of the control of global corporations. That's right, which will no longer hold the power to censor opinions they don't agree with or pull the plug in with. They want to take someone offline entirely. Now, wait a minute. Okay. We just read that from Forbes magazine. Now, that was probably a year ago this article was made, okay? Now, what had just recently happened? Now, I'm not trying to bring this stuff up, but maybe I have to. Look what's recently happening with Twitter. Twitter is a perfect example of a Web 2 company that did many things with our data. Okay? So trust me when I tell you that there's a lot of people that are pissed off about this, and I'm one of them. This is why I have made the decision to get involved in the Web3 decentralized community, because this is important. This is very, very, very important, folks. Now, like you said, now when they try and ban me one day for talking about this stuff, now you know that we're onto something, okay? But that's my whole point here. The whole point for me here is to get banned, okay? So if I get banned, you know that I'm right, all right? But decentralization is crazy. Here at the Master of Metaverse, I'm going to be covering all these trends. More advanced avatar technology. Yes, this is happening right now. No, this is narcissism at its finest. Yes. This is what they're talking about with advanced avatar technology. Okay. Hey. Okay, so this was an article in Forbes magazine, the top 5 metaverse trends of 2023. It's all right there in Forbes magazine. You don't gotta trust the master of the metaverse. Do your own research, do your own diligence. Go figure out where your part is in all of this. Because I tell you this right now, if you have a smartphone, you're already engaged in the metaverse and you don't even know it. Okay, I got friends telling me, Ben, you really think that we're gonna do this, Ben? Okay, but you got an avatar on Snapchat. Get out of here. All right. Sorry, I know I get frustrated. I know I get a little. I know I'm an asshole too. Never mind. Okay. Go back to the Discord. Okay. So now we've done fidelity. Now we've done the trends. What else are we gonna do? Okay. Feel free to post an article on the Discord or write a comment here on my YouTube channel and say, hey, can we cover this? Can we cover this? Don't worry, we're going to cover it all, but please don't feel free to join me here. Ask a question, leave a comment, leave a like, follow, and share. Okay, but I'm only here out to give you guys value. Okay, but I would love to know what it is that you're looking for. I know I've done search everything. Okay, but I'm here for y'all. Okay, so let's go back to the Discord. What's another fun one? Let's go to a fun article on the Discord. Okay, what's this? Microsoft has invested in the Korean blockchain games. Ooh, okay. All right. Ooh, the omnidirectional VR treadmills. Look, shh, I'm going to say this quietly and whisper this so my wife can't hear. I'm going to get an omnidirectional treadmill. Okay. Okay. Now we're not going to read that one. Okay, because I'm going to get too excited. Wait. The MetaVerse platform, so no. Ooh, this right here, the She MetaVerse is the whole reason why I got involved. You can go back and watch my video on it. I'm not gonna do this anymore to you guys. Go back and give you my stories. No, you can go if you have the time. You can see why I got involved. But Shiba Inu MetaVerse is why I'm here. All right, MetaVerse is a new frontier for earning passive income, folks. If you want something different, you have to dare to do something different. Here at my household with my wife and I, we're very, very blessed. No complaints, and we've been taken care of by and very, very blessed, okay, by God Himself. Okay, however, okay, we've learned that sometimes we work two jobs just so we can be broke, right? And so we have decided to do something different and all right, and pay attention and try to gain us some passive income. What is the metaverse? Before digging into passive income opportunities in the metaverse, it's first important to analyze what it actually is. The term metaverse has been one of the most popular buzzwords in the Web3 space over the last few months. Okay. The metaverse differs from past digital worlds like those created in video games through the use of non-fungible tokens. Ooh, these unique blockchain-based tokens can be freely traded by users but cannot be duplicated or copied. What can be done in the metaverse is still being explored, but so far, real businesses have been created within these metaverses. Man, okay. Um, renting out metaverse land. Okay, so I had a friend of mine ask me a good question about the real estate. Okay, uh, real estate in the metaverse. This kind of answers the question on it, covers the whole perspective of it. Okay, um, yes, you can purchase land within these digital spaces, and it becomes tokenized, which is an NFT. Okay, and so whatever is monetized in that. You own that space, very similar to a parking lot in the physical world. Whatever action happens on that space, whatever is monetized in that space, you collect a percentage, okay? Certified on the blockchain. That's what your NFT is. It's yours. You can't copy it. It's unique. It's your passive income. So you can do that, okay? You can do that with the metaverse. Digital real estate. It's true and it's already happening now. Now, the other side of that is real estate, traditional real estate, and using these VR goggles to build your own dream home. Believe it or not, I just did another video on that bad boy. A company called Terra Firma out of Las Vegas. They sell you a parcel land view of the Las Vegas Strip. There's no house there, but when they bring you in for the showing, they give you a Oculus goggles set, and you just get it. Start creating whatever it is that you want. Okay, and they've already built plenty of homes through this concept, $30 million homes. So that's great and all. But that makes me wonder what we could do on a smaller scale for people. So I'm just interested, you guys, in what's happening. All right. This one. Let's check this out real quick. Right here in my channel, we're gonna watch it. One thing I am proud about is when I started this venture to become the master of the metaverse and put my money where my mouth is, it was scary, and I just saw a vision and I acted, okay, and I didn't do any research, but in the last year, it's amazing what has happened, the tools that are coming out in just 1 year, and we are just getting started. So I'm very, very, very excited about the future. Very, very excited about what it entails. And that's why I'm here. I'm going to be here every Monday at 6 p.m. Pacific time, you guys. Okay, every Monday. 80% is showing up. Okay, and I'm going to start this. I started today, March 13th, 2023. Is the day that I started my weekly podcast. And I'm going to be here every week. You can count on me. I'm telling you that right now. Okay, the only thing that's going to stop me is obviously, God forbid, some situation. But I promise you here right now, to end my live stream here, that I promise you guys to be here once a week. Okay, once a week, every Monday, to give us a platform so that we can discuss and talk about where we can capitalize and put our family in a better position and change our legacy forever. I think we have done it. We've hit an hour for our first live stream podcast. I know that was a lot of rambling. I know that I'm going to edit it and it probably won't be that long. But I just want to say thank you. I want to say thank you to the Lord up above for all his grace and his blessings. I want to thank my beautiful family for all their love and support. And I want to thank you to all my viewers and for all your support, for watching my content, for joining me here. It's going to be fun, folks. This is day one. This is day one to what I believe is going to be about, I would say, about a 5 to 10 year run. So let's go. Let's get busy with it. Get busy living or get busy dying. All right, we're going to end it with some, That's right. Ooh. Whoa. That wasn't very nice, okay? But it's true, okay? Until next time, Peace be the journey, and one love. We'll see you next week, every Monday, 6 p.m. Pacific time.